clouds are fighting.
Clouds.
Female cloud and male cloud.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that one a girl?
I think so.
Wait, what do? Do you just have to hit the other person? Like somewhere?
I don't know. Do you want to do this?
Yeah, I do. Okay.
Alright. We'll do this next.
Go Cloud!
Yeah, Cloud! I want to do this next so bad. Yeah, do it. You have to do Corona. Can you get her to hold my bag too? Yeah. And on my phone.
Whoa, what just happened there? Raping? Yeah. Aww, Cloud, you died! Yay, they come back to life!